Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a sleeping T-Rex. It's going to be simple, easy, and completely for beginners. I'm going to turn my paper this way. Alright, let's get started. Follow along, it's going to be very short. Okay, going to go over here around the back of his neck, and we're going to curve like so. Keep curving right here for more of the top part of the head right here. Okay, so far so good. Gonna go right here, and it's gonna go down the brow. Straighten out for the snout. Curve right here. Line over here for the mouth. And line over here for kind of the rest of the closed mouth. Gonna go over here on this side. Circle. Line underneath for the eye. It's kind of like it's gonna represent like a closed eye, like right there. We want to go over here and grab the nostril of the T-Rex. Right here, nostril, right on. Gonna go down here, curve for underneath for the lower mouth. Back over here for the back of the jaw. Curve up, in, right on. Right here for a little bit of a folding in the back of the neck, and now I'm going to go over here to the front, okay, the front area, and I'm going to curve right here for the front of his chest. We're going to go over here, kind of find the back of him now, so his back, kind of make it a short kind of chibi tail right there. Right on. I'm gonna go over here and have his hind leg kind of wrapped like this. Right here, down. Now we're gonna pull in right there. Okay? So far, so good. We're gonna keep moving here. Now I'm gonna grow here, grab the bottom of the foot, the hind leg down. Up. Hind leg over here, up. Look over here, up. Alright. We need his baby arms to be kind of wrapped around him. So we're going to go like down. Line here. Down. Line here. Like a chicken arm. These guys' arms may be crossed. I know you probably wouldn't be able to do that in real life, but there you go. Got his little arms wrapped. Gonna go over here, we're gonna draw a line underneath, like so. Line, line, back of the arm here. A line underneath the neck. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Teeth, teeth, right there, kind of facing downward, and maybe like straighten, pull that line out a little bit more, and we want him to look like he's sleeping, so it'll be Z, Z, Z right there, and so let's with the overall structure of him pretty well. Now we're going to go into kind of like the details, right? So right here, maybe draw like a thin line underneath his eye, maybe in the back here as well. Line over here, little thin line underneath the nostril, maybe another tooth there actually. Curve. Line, line. line over here, line over here, the back, curve, curve, curve. All right, good so far. Now what I want to do is, well, I'm gonna draw a thicker line around the entire dinosaur. Again, he's got that chibi tail, so it's really short. Whoops, it is. Go over here. Like slightly thicker line around his entire, around all of them, you know? Over here. Curve. Continuing to kind of do this around the outer portion, and what I want it to do is I want it to look a little bit more like a sticker. It's more of like a style kind of thing, right? Right here. Pretty good. Pretty good so far. That's kind of most of it. You kind of maybe add like a thin line right here along the edge, and maybe add some extra stuff here. But that's most of it. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe if you want to go over. There's tons of dinosaur lessons on the channel. There's tons of everything. There's also a you know, coloring book that we have, and there's also a cute drawing ebook. If you want to learn how to draw anything cute, go check out that ebook. Okay, definitely check out that ebook. It is completely free. It used to be something I sold, but now it is completely free. The only catch is you have to find it on the description over here. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for everything, and you are amazing, and I will see you very, very soon. Please share the video if you enjoyed it. Sharing is caring. Sharing is the main way to kind of like contribute to the channel. So definitely share it on Twitter or anywhere that you can. It takes like 2 seconds. If you're on YouTube, it takes 2 seconds to press. I think it has like a selection at the bottom. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you next time. All right, see you later.